another message for another time. But so now Zacharias is in the tabernacle, and the angel said, you're getting ready to conceive a son, and you're getting ready to bore a son, and he said he's getting ready to have purpose. And but Zacharias looked at the angel and said, angel, how am I going to know this is true? We see that Gabriel kind of pokes out his chest a little bit, and he said, I am Gabriel, and I stand in the very presence of God. See, sometimes you got to let folk know who you are. You ain't gonna keep lying on me and expect me to keep messing with you. Don't let this suit fool you. Don't let this collar fool you. I ain't been saved all my life. I may not fight you, but you better recognize who I am. I'm God's child. I'm a royalty, and I'm an heir to God's throne. You ain't gonna pee on me and call it rain. You ain't gonna lie on me. You ain't gonna talk about me and keep cheating on me. I can't hear nobody. You ain't gonna keep posting Facebook statuses about me and expect me to still mess with you. Gabriel said, you better know who I am. I stand in the presence of God.